It has been a long time and something is way different.
Here we go.
This is a green car. A couple buddies of mine mostly helped me out with wrapping this car. We did it all by ourselves. The car's been wrapped for about 4 to 5 months now. And since it's our first time, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the imperfections and where we messed up. But first, let me show you guys a quick cinematic sequence. So there's one part where the wrap lifted. I didn't use any primer because I didn't know about it at the time. Same for this part right here. You can see like it's kind of bubbly, but you know, like it's our first time, so of course there's gonna be mistakes. The edges, like all these edges, these were the hardest parts to do. Like I got like so difficult that at the back part right here, like I kind of just messed up and went along with it. But you know, first time, I'm still very proud of what we did. It looks good from like 25 feet away. So again, with all the little mistakes here and there, like this part's also bubbled up, some edges lifted right here, edges lifting right here. Some parts where I cut way too close, but what you can do? It's my first time, so I'll take it. Yeah, so quick update on the FRS. Stay tuned for more videos. Got some crazy things planned, like I don't know, I took it off-roading. Also, you'll notice like the wing's gone, but that's another story.